Let me check with the load tester this battery. Once again, you see in the load tester you have the green area, the yellow area, and the red area. No? If I connect the battery and the needle is pointed in the green area, it's 13 point something, indicate that the battery is good. When I apply the load for 10 seconds, if the needle stay in the green area, indicate that the battery is good. If the needle goes a little into the yellow area, indicate you need to recharge the battery a little. If the needle goes to the red area immediately, it's out. No? Okay, we are going to check. We are going to check this one. We are going to check this one. And look, it's in the green area. Everybody follow me? Look at the needle. You see? On the green area. I am going to apply the load. Oh, stay in the green. Stay in the green. You see? It's a resistor. Load.
It's like a toaster.
Why is it smoking?
And it's burned because it's Mickey Mouse, but
Nah, not Mickey Mouse. This is just cold.
So it's normal for the smoker?
it's normal.
Okay.
Yeah, that's clear. This battery is in good condition. But let me tell to you something. This load tester, I said Mickey Mouse because it's Mickey Mouse. Because this load tester apply the same load, doesn't matter if the battery is gel, or if the battery is lead acid, or if the battery is lithium, apply the same load, the same resistor. That's not good. I prefer the other one.
The $1,200 one?
I am going to demonstrate with the electronic load tester. The electronic load tester is nice because the electronic load tester asks some questions. The battery is connected in the system? No, the battery is disconnected. The battery is in a car or is in a boat? The battery is gel, the battery is, and ask some question, information about the capacity in amps, the capacity in CCA. Right now we are going to talk about that. And after that, apply the load according with that battery and protect the battery. And immediately finish the test, say your battery is good, your battery need recharge, and you can print it, or you can send the report to the customer because it's with a Bluetooth connection. It's nice. I have both of them. The other one is $1,200, the tool. But in this business, you recover the money in 5 minutes. The technician, the service of everything is too expensive, no? You recover the money in 5 minutes. Believe me. You can buy tools per each customer.
And then charge them for it.
And charge for it. It's testing. Okay. The battery is good. It charged 100%, you see? And that's great. And they say that the life of the battery is in the middle, 50. And the report is good condition. That battery is nice, no? Because this one protects the battery. The other one apply the same load for different type of batteries. It's cheap, no? But pay attention. In the battery, you have one terminal with less energy, less active, and other one more active. Which one will be the more active? The cathode, the negative. The negative, because absorb electrons, and at the end of the day will be more negative. Okay, and the anode release electron, and at the end of the day is more positive. Okay, that's clear? In general, those metals, the metals located here in group number 1 and 2, they will be anodes, because they have low energy, low activity. And the rest of the metals, the blue ones especially, and this one, number 3, because really the metals are between group number 1, group number 2, and group number 3. And a couple of metals, tin and lead, in group number 4. No, the rest are non-metals. Those elements with 3 electrons in the last orbit, the majority of them, the transition metals, they have 3 electrons in the last orbit. But those elements, they have more energy in comparison with those alkali metals. You remember? The alkali metals are the lowest energy elements. Good? All right. Because today we are going to talk about the lithium batteries. Where is located lithium? Too much energy? No, low energy. Oh, in the lithium batteries, I have two terminals. One positive terminal and one negative terminal. The positive terminal will be lithium, pure lithium. And what about the negative terminal? Will be combination of lithium with other metals to convert that alloy more active and attract electrons. You understand? And today we are going to study that. Exactly the same with this battery.